Day 2 of our Crazy Family vacation. We're still home. We haven't gone anywhere. We're just kind of using our beautiful city's things to do.
Oh wow!
And apparently nobody knows how to play. So our goal for today, and what we're gonna do today, is obviously 1 is the park. 2 is a doctor's appointment. And all 3 of the kids, Natalie, RJ, and Nicholas, they get to do physicals. And that should be exciting because I'm kind of hoping one of them gets a shot. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. He's always a shy one, Nicholas. RJ's not my talker. He doesn't talk very much. I have 3 different kids. Natalie's my older one. She's 11 and she's a sports girl, so she loves playing sports. She's outdoorsy, all of the above. Not really girly, but she tries to be every once in a blue moon. RJ is my middle child. He is 9 and doesn't like talking. Don't know why. Like, I don't understand. He's like, I don't want to be on camera. I don't like, but he loves making things and making videos, but he doesn't like being on videos. And then Nicholas. Nicholas is my talker. He is my no filter kid. He says things without thinking, and it's very scary sometimes. Sometimes I'm like, Lord Jesus, please help me, because I don't know what this kid's gonna say to a random stranger. He wants to know why he's getting a physical. So, you are getting a physical. Oh, that's what you're getting. No shots. Baby shots. No shots. Okay. Just a physical. Stop pushing pause. Stop pushing pause. Go play. Go play.
Does it look like there's much to play on here?
Free up too.
Oh, we're gonna go get free candy.
Go get free candy. See?
We all love candy.
Hey, stop yelling all the time.
Candy.
So
Wait.
we are doing a free candy tour. Woo-hoo! Brought to you by Citrus Candy Factory. control, as you can see. All right, everybody ready? All right, let's see if I can do it this way. There we go. I'm letting go of the car.
It's moving.
It's definitely moving by itself. Okay.
And it's pretty fast. I thought it was slower.
One more time.
Wait, what are you driving? Put it on what you driving.
On D.
Okay, then. Oh, you go.
So we're at the doctor's appointment. Kids have been dreading this appointment for days and weeks, and they're not excited. I'm excited. Yes. I mean, I'm not excited. Oh, okay. Tristan's here for moral support. Are you nervous?
No.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, but I am not excited. I don't want to get shot.
Are you doing reflections?
They're not reflections, they're reflexes.
Reflexes. When you do it, when you do your knee,
Are they giving you the...
when you do your knee, do this. When you do your knee,
No,
and then you do this.
Not have...
Wait, how did you do that? You hit one knee and the other one jumped up. Like, that's a weird reflex.
It hits this knee and then it goes up. It's this knee and it goes up.
Monkey see, monkey do. She's coming. She's coming.
Up there, apparently they $1,000 because you couldn't buy a killer whale-shaped submarine.
Because we so need that in this world.
Yeah, we do. We that's not $1,000. That's $100,000. Doctor's appointments are done. Everybody is healthy for now.
The doctor's...
This one decided to not get a shot today. She had the option. All right, YouTubers. If you had a choice to say you needed a shot by your 7th grade and you had a choice to do it today or next year, which one would you do? I would love to see some comments below. Would you pick today or would you pick next year? Because this girl picked next year.
I am a perfect dragon, okay?
No, you're not. You're a bad dragon. I don't even know what book I'm reading.
I'm reading about how to start fires, man.
Oh, exactly. What book am I reading, Andre?
I am a perfect dragon.
No, you're not. You're a pretty princess.